So we're the squids today.
You're kind of squid.
You're brighter squid than mine.
Yeah, you should see my ink. Oh.
What do you mean? What's Okay, you tell me after. So hi guys, today we're gonna be doing some Squid Game at home. We made this dalgona. Actually, in Korea, I used to call it as a 뽑기. But if you just look it up on YouTube, it's gonna tell you dalgona. It's pretty much the same thing.
Because it's some sweet tasting treat that involves a stick.
Stick? 뽑기? It means draw.
Draw?
Like a voting, draw. 뽑기. So 뽑다 turned it into noun. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you. This is mine and this is yours.
So fresh, still got the baking soda and everything.
So, yours is a teddy bear, mine is circle.
Wait a minute, I feel like I'm getting set up here. Isn't this one more difficult?
No, it's actually not.
What?
Actually, dalgona, it's very easy to make too. You can try it out at home easily, sugar and baking soda.
Wait. But in the show, the worst one to get was the umbrella. And this is the closest thing we have to an umbrella.
No.
Look at all the details. Look at all the different directions
so
and
cute.
flipping curves. And man, it's impossible.
I'm sure you can do it. So this is the game. That's why we have to set some rules. So there's some options. I thought about it. First one, you know the flicking fingers? Does it hurt?
Probably.
I should do. Does it hurt? Oh, really? I don't think I did it hard.
I don't know. You did it harder earlier, actually.
Okay.
Still feel it.
And the second option is, let me know if this is funny. We can change your LinkedIn photo to really absurd photo. Maybe funny face photo. How's that?
How about my Twitter photo? Oh, wait, that's
No,
not
not Twitter. LinkedIn, because that's more professional.
What?
Yeah. So you can choose one or the other.
She's trying to overtake my wage.
Yeah. But the thing is that this punishment also applies to me, right? So I gotta win. So let's start. We're gonna set some timer.
Oh, you're gonna
2
get
minutes.
punished!
But let's say if neither of us win, then what happens?
Our daughter wins. Someone's gotta win.
Someone's gotta win.
I don't know. Then we gotta eat what's left in the bowl.
Which one? You mean this?
It's like a bowl of ice now.
Okay, we figured out why we're doing it. Anyway, set the timer 2 minutes, right?
2 minutes.
So we set the time here, 2 minutes. Do you have any questions?
What do I do?
Okay, but you watch Squid Game. You use
They
toothpick.
use so many different techniques. I don't even know which one's best.
Okay,
or legal.
Don't use it
wanna
lightly
keep
because
it real.
this is a toothpick, okay? So you can use your spit, okay, on the tip,
Well,
and
hold
then
on a second. I got chicken.
melt the sugar around. You can do that. You have to cut out the excess sugar into your shape.
It's
So
all
you can-
excess sugar. This is confusing already.
Okay. So anyway, do it as you can. Let's begin.
I'm already winning.
Actually, I gave you a head.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I broke my toothpick. Hey daughter, your mama set me up. Set me up for the slammer or worse. Oh man, I broke it again.
What?
It's not gonna be any of this toothpick left.
Okay, you have more here.
Wait a minute. If I lick it underneath, that's the secret weapon, isn't it?
Okay, try. Try.
Oh, it's salty. Oh, yeah, it's on the outside.
Oh my god! Oh, it's working. That's the secret.
Yeah, it is salty. The baking soda, right?
Oh, it's so good.
We
Oh,
should have
man.
done this after dinner.
We should do this at every meal.
You know, I used to do this when I was a kid.
Oh no!
Oh no.
I don't know, it's not that bad.
Okay, just wait.
It's still good. It's still
I
good.
still got time, right? Oh shoot.
We're both gonna lose. 17.
Oh yeah!
Oh!
I did.
No! Okay.
It's too loud.
Sorry, neighbor.
Circle.
Oh man. man.
Make it perfect.
Do I still get to eat what's left of my beer?
Which option of the how can I in the nick of time? How can I finish this? I don't know. I never used that before. Okay.
So, which option of punishment are you gonna choose?
It doesn't matter because with this flavor, I think I'm already winning.
Which one?
Man, I don't know about LinkedIn.
Try.
I could like
Because I don't want to abuse you
on
physically.
any other platform.
Someone is gonna hunt down on me in the future.
No, just click me.
Like me abusing you physically.
Just click me.
No. I advise you
No
to
prenup.
change.
There's no prenup.
Really?
No flicking clause.
But flicking, this is I have to practice.
You can practice on me.
Okay, ready? Close your eyes. Oh, your forehead is so wide. So
See, you can't miss. You'll never miss.
Sorry, darling. Named off the chips.
Okay.
But I'm still the winner. Oh man.
This is pretty good. Yeah.
That show's making us discover all kinds of new things.
Actually, this makes me hungry. I'm ready for dinner.
Yeah, better add some more protein before we hit the crash.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If it was funny and useful to you
And delicious.
and delicious, you can try at home and let me know how it goes. Then we see you guys next time.
Bye-bye.